Hey guys, it's time to do another liquid test today. So we have the three of the best and the hottest flagship phones on the market: the Galaxy S8, the LG G5, and the iPhone 7. So all these phones are water resistant. I've tested them out in the water, so you guys requested me to do this in something like Coca-Cola. So yeah, let's just get right into it. Placing my Galaxy S8 here, okay, like this. No, not like this. Actually, I'm gonna unlock the phone and place it like a man, and then the LG G6, and then we have the iPhone 7. So it's a bit short, but yeah, let's just move the LG to the side and Galaxy S8 in the middle. So yeah, I have the big jumbo mumbo Coca-Cola bottle. So let's just quickly open this one up, okay. Wow, that sound. Okay, so let's just pour it in. Whoa. Galaxy S8 is really reactive to liquid. I mean, just automatically starts to open up things. Pour it in again. Okay, I'm gonna fill this one up so that they're completely submerged, and we're gonna have a fair and square test. Okay, I think I should pour it in a bit more. There we go. Perfect mixture of flagship plus Coca-Cola, and we're gonna be calculating time as well. So I have my Samsung Galaxy S7 here. So this was the previous test we did. 10 minutes and 29 seconds in water. And now we're gonna do this test for 15 minutes, a bit more hardcore compared to the normal water test that we did. So just gonna place my Galaxy S7 here so that you can see the time, and I'll be back when they are done. Alright guys, we are done. It's been 16 minutes actually, so I'm just going to quickly stop the timer, and now we're just going to bring out these phones out of the Coca-Cola I thought the iPhone actually died, so but it is alive. So let's I'm just gonna quickly put them in a clean tub of water that I have it here, because I don't want, you know, sugary phones. Okay, so the babies are done with their bath. I'm just gonna quickly dry them up with this new blue towel. So G6 is done. Just gonna quickly clean the iPhone 7. Okay, it's also done. And I'm also gonna clean up my Galaxy S8. There we go. Let's quickly check out the sound. So first off, we have the LG G6. I'm just gonna go into settings, ringtone, and play this random ringtone. Okay, so compared to water, I can definitely feel the sound is a bit muffled and distorted. So I guess putting it in Coca-Cola for 15 minutes is not a good idea. But still not too bad, something that will get fixed on its own. And if we also check out the fingerprint scanner, so you can see it is also working fine. And let's launch camera. That is also looking good. Nothing wrong there. So yeah, that is the LG G6. Bit of a bad sound, not too much of a serious issue. Going into settings, checking out the iPhone 7 Plus here, sounds, ringtone. Oh my god, that is really worse. Guess this one has to be put in rice, I guess. Okay, so looking better after blowing it a bit. Again, just something that will clear up on its own. Checking out the Galaxy S8. Okay. Sound is very much similar to the LG G6. Okay, a bit more clear now after blowing. But still not as clear as when I put it in the water. So Coca-Cola definitely does a bit more damage. So again, nothing permanent. It will get fixed on its own. And camera is working fine. And same thing with the fingerprint scanner. Let's check the facial recognition sensor. That's also working fine. That is sweet, as you can see. So yeah, that was a Coca-Cola test, 15 minutes long, between the Galaxy S8, LG G6, and the iPhone 7. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys later. Peace out.